right, so we're going to start lesson 2. So this is when we are multiplying fractions by whole numbers. So let's look down at number 1. So we have 5 times 2/3. So 5 times 2/3. So what is the first step if we have multiplication with a fraction? What do we got to do this whole number?
Layla Mercer, please report to Miss Sandersville's room at this time. Thank you.
Okay, so we put it over 1 because all whole numbers go over 1. So now we just multiply it out. What's 5 times 2?
7.
And 1 times 3. Okay, so like I said in the past, you can leave it like this, or we're going to change it back into a mixed number. I would suggest doing both. So how many times does 3 go into 10?
3 times.
And how much is left over? 10 over 3, 3 1/3. Okay, let's look at number 9. So we have 4/5 times 15. So what's our first step? So what's it go over? 1. Okay, now, we talked about simplifying before we multiply. Can we simplify anything with 1 and 4? No. What about 5 and 15? Yeah, what can you divide out? 5. So then 5 divided by 5 is 1. 15 divided by 5 is 3. So now we have 4 times 3.
12.
1 times 1. Which equals just what?
12.
12. Alright. Any questions on those? Last page here is about what we did yesterday, multiplying mixed numbers. So looking at number 9, we have 8 1/5 times 1 1/4. Alright, so since they're both mixed numbers, we have to change them into improper fractions first. So to do that, we take 8 times 5 plus the numerator. So what's 8 times 5 plus 1? 41 over 5 times, now 1 times 4 plus 1. 5 over 4. Okay, can we do anything with 41 and 4? No. If it was 40, we could. So with the mixed numbers, you still have to change them into improper fractions before you can do anything. So today, what you're going to do okay, on the second page, you're going to do 6, 7, 10, 11, 14, 15.